Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix for free using updated and safe methods in 2026. So first, do not waste your time on free account generators, random login websites, or Telegram accounts. Most of those are fake and they can put your device or personal information at risk. The best way is to use official options that actually work. So the first method is to check if someone in your household already has Netflix. If they allow you to use it, you can open Netflix on your phone, TV, computer, or tablet, then sign in with the correct email and password. And just remember, Netflix accounts are meant to be used properly based on the plan and household rules. The next method is to check your mobile or internet provider. So some plans like eligible T-Mobile packages in the United States can include Netflix at no extra cost. So open your provider's app or website and go to benefits or add-on section and look for Netflix. You can also use an official Netflix promo code or gift card if you have one. Just redeem it through Netflix and follow the steps on the screen. So that is all for today. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.